Cap Water encourages you to test the water pressure in your home. You will need a water pressure test gauge such as this one. These are inexpensive and can be purchased from your local hardware store.
They are also included in our indoor water conservation kit.
Simply attach the gauge to an outdoor spigot at your home. Make sure you have a tight seal. Ensure no water is running on the property, then turn on the water at the spigot where you place the pressure gauge and let it run until the reading has stabilized. Now read the gauge. The reading should be at or just below 80 pounds per square inch, also known as PSI. If your water pressure is too high, it can damage your pipes and fixtures and cause water loss. If your reading is outside the ideal range, check your home's pressure reduction valve or PRV. The PRV can be adjusted to lower the pressure level. Remember, it's important to regularly test your water pressure to ensure it is within the ideal range. Using a pressure test gauge is an easy and quick way to do this.